Mayor of Union, Kentucky decided who will be serving on the city's commission. A Boone County judge decided to undo November's election results due to the claims of voter fraud. WCPO 9 News reporter Sam Harrell-Simowitz shows us what's next for the city's leaders and their residents.
All right. Good evening, everybody.
After months of legal battles and judge rulings,
I would like to renew my recommendation to appoint Doug Bine to the City Commission.
Union has 3 official city commissioners.
Congratulations. Have a seat.
Mayor Larry Solomon had to appoint 3 members Monday night after a judge said it's up to him and recommendations from commissioners as they were appointed one by one.
They put this in front of us to do.
Last fall, Doug Bine and his attorney filed a lawsuit challenging the results, claiming hundreds of people were given the wrong ballots. Over the weekend, a Boone County Circuit judge ruled in favor of Bine's election challenge, removing the 3 commissioners elected in November.
And I do further solemnly swear.
But one of Monday's appointees, new Commissioner George Eldridge, wasn't even on the ballot.
What I did was it had to be making a decision for the good of the city.
Even though Biden is officially back on the city commission, his lawyer said they still wanted another election so voters kept their voice.
The only remedy in the statute is this appointment process that we think is not really does the will of the voters and does democracy good.
Commissioner, did you know you were going to be appointed today?
No.
Residents packed the city building to see what the mayor would decide and left with new commissioners and some with even more questions. How'd you feel seeing a selection of someone that didn't even run?
That is not what that should be done.
In Monday night's meeting, the mayor instructed those 3 new members of the city commission to work as a task force to begin the process of finding who will be the 4th member of the Union City Commission. That selection process will go on later in the month. Reporting in Union, Sam Harrell-Simowitz, WCPO 9 News.